Got a Chinatown part of the city. A little party boat action going on here. We've seen some packed boats. This one isn't quite as packed, but they're still ready to go have a good time. Load her up with booze and away they go. This is an exact copy of an 1870 East India Company ship. These are called the dancing houses because they're a little crooked. Oh yeah, wow. One of these college little party boats up ahead. I've seen so many of these in the last couple days. Another example here of all the bikes.